Alright, welcome back to the calculus show. Question number 14. Alright, a function f of x has a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. Best way to describe this one is with a plot. So at x equals 2 I have a vertical asymptote, so I'll draw my vertical asymptote, that's that. Now sometimes you're going to find that doing things like this on an AP test will be effective. You actually draw a little plot. You don't have to if you can picture it in your head, but sometimes it will help you to just draw a quick little sketch. Then it says the derivative of f of x is positive for all x does not equal 2. Now immediately I'm just thinking, what does this graph look like? Well, if it's positive for all x that don't equal 2, that means everything but that asymptote, the derivative is positive. That means my function must look something like this, right? If I've got an asymptote there. So that's positive, right? For all this, right? It's positive slope. And then you might be inclined to do something like this, right? Because I think, oh, positive, it goes up. But no, actually, because if I'm doing this, my slope is negative. So actually, my function is going to look more like this, right? Okay. So that's something with an asymptote at x equals 2 where the slope is always positive, right? Okay, so we can kind of just remember that, and we can always figure that out in our head. Now, this says which of the following statements are true. So statement 1 is that the limit as x goes to 2 from the left is positive infinity. Well, as x goes to 2 from the left, yeah, the limit is positive infinity. So 1 is true. Statement number 2, the limit as x goes to 2 from the right is positive infinity as well. Well, the limit as x goes to 2 from the right is negative infinity. So that's not correct. So x is wrong, or 2 is incorrect. Statement number 3 says the limit as 2 goes to the left, the limit of f of x as 2 goes to the limit of x as 2 goes, wow. The limit of f of x as x goes to 2 from the left is positive infinity. Oh, whoops. I read number 1 wrong, but it's still correct. So number 3 is what I said for number 1. So that's 2 from the left, and that's correct. Number 1 says the limit as x goes to 2, with not from the right or to the left, right? So now the question is, this can only be possible, a function can only have a limit as x goes to a certain number if x is going to that certain number and this has the same limit as it goes from the left and from the right. If it has a different limit from the left as it does from the right, then it actually does not have a limit, because I can't say the limit as x goes to 2, no, because it's different depending upon if I'm coming from the left or from the right. So 1 is actually false, because it does not have a limit, it does not exist. So the answer is C, only 3 is correct. Hope I didn't confuse you. If you have any questions, just send me an email. See you in the next video.